Leaving the solar system, but not going too far out, these are observations of a number of stars that are color-coded in magenta there, and you can see they stretch in a large swath across the sky. What you're looking at here is a fisheye view, and the entire Milky Way galaxy is all the way around. So you're looking toward the south galactic pole, as though you were floating in the galaxy, looking down, and then seeing the Milky Way all the way around. So this is a long stream of stars, and they cut through the southern hemisphere, the southern galactic pole, as I mentioned. And we now know through measurements using the Gaia telescope that measures very carefully the positions and movements of stars, that they all share the same movements. It's one big stellar stream. So these are predicted to exist. We know that when there are like globular clusters get torn apart, you get a stellar stream. But this is very close by. This is very near it's only a couple hundred light years away, and it's about 1,200 light years long. So it's a long stream of stars, but it's a cluster that's been kind of disrupted, a cluster of stars near us. So nobody knew they were all part of the same cluster until now this team looking at Gaia data. So when you pull them all out together, it was a cluster. They fit very nicely. For those of you who don't know what this diagram is, we use them a lot in astronomy to tell a lot of things about groups of stars. But by doing this analysis, I won't go into the details, you can get the age. And the age of this cluster is about 1 billion years old.